Hi viewers, I'm Nadeem.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farooq Academy. Today we will discuss chapter number 6, exercise 6D, book D3, applications of mathematics in practical situations. Question number 1. Read the statement carefully. Find the compound interest on number A, $450 for 2 years at 10% per annum compound yearly. Compounded yearly. Okay, first of all, we have to write what we have to determine in this question. That is, we need compound interest. Okay, write down here compound interest. We have to find this. It is represented by I and sign of interrogation. It means we have to calculate this. In A part, the principal amount is $450, rate of interest 10%, time period 1 year, and since we have interest formula, that is PRT divided by 100, so putting the values 450 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 1 divided by 100, so after simplification we get $45. So it is calculated for the first year. So similarly we have to calculate for second year. So you can see for second year, principal amount becomes 45 plus 450 is equal to $495. So then interest will be, since I2 is equal to PRT divided by 100, putting the values 495 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 1 divided by 100, so you will get $49.5. So compound interest I will be I1 plus I2. So we have calculated I1, that is 45, then 49.5. So the total amount, that is compound interest, will be $94.5. So that is your result. Now coming to the B part of this question. We have to find compound interest. I, sign of interrogation. Principal amount, how much? Read the statement. $700 for 3 years at 11% per annum compounded yearly. Okay, principal amount, that is $700, rate of interest 11%, time period is 1 year. So since I1 is equal to PRT divided by 100, so putting the values, so you will get $77. So similarly you have to calculate, this is for first year. This calculation is for first year. Now for second year, so principal amount will becomes 77 plus 700, because 77 just now we have calculated for the first year, so it should be added here. So in next year, so it becomes $777. So therefore I2 will be equal to multiply by 11 multiply by 1 divided by 100, you will get $85.47. Similarly, for third year, it will become. So for third year, principal amount becomes, we should edit the this amount in the next year, that is in second year we will get 85.47 right here, 80.47 plus 777, so total amount will be 862.47. so this is your principal amount. So find out the interest. Therefore, interest I3 is equal to PRT divided by 100. I3 is equal to 862 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 1 divided by 100. You will get, after simplification, that is $94.87. So therefore, compound interest will be is equal to I1 plus second year interest plus third year interest. So add all the interest, so you will get the exact value of compound interest, that is $257.34. so that is your required result. Now coming to the question number 2. Wilson invests $5,008 fivefold 1 by 4% per annum compound interest compounded annually. Find the amount at the end of the third year. So for the first year we have to calculate question number 2. We have to find interest. So for first year, principal amount is equal to $5,000. Rate of interest is equal to 541 by 4%, that is equal to 5.25%. Time is equal to 1 year. So we have formula, that is interest is equal to PRT divided by 100, putting the values. So you will get $262.5. So that is the amount calculated in first year. Now for second year, principal amount becomes 5,000 plus 262.5, just we have calculated. So total amount will be this one. So we have a formula for second year of interest, that is PRT by 100, putting the values. That is, so this amount will be $276.28 is for second year. Similarly, for third years we have to calculate. So principal amount becomes now 5,262.50, 276.28 plus 5,000 5,538.78. So the principal amount becomes dollar. By using calculator you will get 276, and adding 276, so you will get the amount that is equal to 5,538.78. so you can write as $5,538.78. so this is your principal amount for the third year. So again, using the same formula, that is PRT divided by 100, putting the values, so you will get $290. so that is your interest for the third year. So total amount will be, hence so total amount I will be, you have to add all the amounts, that is 5,538.78 plus 290.79, so the amount is $5,829.57. so it is your required result. Now coming to the question number 3. Read the statement carefully in question number 3. That is, John invests $800 at the 12-hole 1/2% per annum compound interest compounded monthly. What is the amount of interest at the end of the first year? So principal amount $800, rate of interest per annum, that is equal to 12.5%, that is equal to 0.125, because percent, we remove the percent, so divided by 100 you will get this. So the rate of interest per month is 0.125 divided by 12, so that is equal to 467 by using calculator. So time period is 12 months. So since sorry, we have formula, that is compounded interest is equal to P into 1 plus R bracket power T. So that will be equal to 800 1 plus 0.0104 416 7 power 12. So it is equal to 800 1.0104167 12. By simplification with the help of calculator, you will get this, and that is 800, and remove the power 12. So it means by using this calculator you have to remove the power, so you will get 800 into 1.132416.495, and the result is $905.933. so that is your required result. Now coming to the question number 4. Mr. Sim invests. It should be noted that if you read the statement, what is the amount of interest at the end of the first year? So at the end of first year we have calculated the amount, but at the end of first year at the end of first year so at the end of first year at the end of first year it becomes minus 800, because 800 should be subtracted, so you will get 105.933 or $106 approximately. So at the end of first year, so that is the required result. Similarly, question number 4, last question of this exercise. Mr. Sim invests $9,000 at 2% per annum compounded interest, compounded daily. What is this amount at the end of the third day? 1 year is equal to 365 days. It is given in your textbook. So what is the principal amount? First you have to write that is principal amount is $9,000. Rate of interest is 2% per annum, and time is 3 days, that is equal to 3 divided by 365, it becomes years, so that is your time period. So since we have a formula that is interest is equal to PRT divided by 100, putting the values 3 divided by 365, by simplification you will get 54 36500. So the result is $1.48, but the total amount will be, so the total amount will be equal to, we have to add 1.48 plus 9,000 is the principal amount, so you will get the result $9,000. 1.48 is required result. So that is your exact calculation. So I hope that this exercise will be helpful. So thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.